The HX50 manufacturing process is a very streamlined, very modern manufacturing process. It's a combination between an educational course to make you into an owner-operator and a full-blown helicopter manufacturing activity. So anybody that has the skills to safely pilot and operate a helicopter will be able to successfully come to the build school and build their helicopter. The process works whereby you'll come and you'll work alongside our engineers, our manufacturing operatives, to build your aircraft, to assemble your aircraft. And by doing that, you'll learn all of the intimate details of how the aircraft works, why the limitations in the operating manual are what they are, that things are just strong enough to meet the operational requirements, and you have to respect these limitations, otherwise you'll run into problems as an operator. And that's a huge advantage over what you would get just going and buying an aircraft on the shelf. If you are capable of safely owning and operating a helicopter, then there's no doubt that you'll be able to complete the build course at our facility.